Welcome everybody to this video. I will show you how to fix all your technical problems on your ZEE5 app easy and quick. So let's start. All what you have to do, you don't need to open your ZEE5. Go open your settings of your device, click on your apps option, search for ZEE5 and click. And right here you will find this list. Just you need to open storage, click clear cache only and back. Click right now for stop at the corner of the screen, click OK. And right now you just have to come to permission option and give permission to microphone only and back. And right now what you should do, guys, click for stop here, click OK, open your battery, make it on optimized mode, and then turn on your airplane mode and turn off it and go directly to Play Store or App Store. Make sure that your ZEE5 is updated on the last version. Restart your phone as the last step, and that's all what you should do. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.